Hello dear students, Standard 7 Mathematics, Chapter number 1 Integers. This is part 2. Hello friends, I am Sunil Kumar Jadhav. Here in this video, we are going to see part 2 of Standard 7 Mathematics, Chapter number 1 Integers. If you have not seen part 1, then go in the description and click and see part 1. Here we are going to see second part. Let us begin. Try this. This is given in the NCERT textbook. So let us try to understand this concept. We have done various pattern with numbers in our previous classes. What is pattern? We know some numbers are given with the gap and we want to find out the pattern. These kind of questions are also asked in competitive exams like IAS, IPS, banking exam and all other government exam. So the concept will be clear to you in this standard. You can score good marks in this competitive exams also in the future. So let us see. First one, that is 7, 3, minus 1, minus 5, then dash, dash and dash. We need to find out the pattern and then we need to put all these numbers in the blank. First of all, you can see this is 7 and 3. I will write it here. How much gap is there between 7 and 3? You can see 7. I'll write all the number. After that, the number is 6. Then it would be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Then we know minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and so on. You don't see that on number line. Sometime in students' mind it comes in the number line at the right hand side it is always a positive number, at the left hand side it is always a negative number, but it is misconception. At 0, at any one side you can keep it all positive integers and at any one side you can keep it negative integers. Let us find out the pattern and we'll write our answer. You can see first number is given, it is 7. Then the second number is given, it is 3. Third number is given, it is minus 1. Fourth number is given, it is minus 5. If we see how much gap is between these two, you can see 7, then it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means after 4 gap we got this number, that is 3. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is a gap of 4. Similar way, if we will go ahead, again this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again with the 4 gap it is number minus 1. Again you will check 1, 2, 3 and 4. After this 4 gap, the number we got, that is minus 5. Means our next number will be after the 4 gap. So that would be, we'll go 1, 2, 3 and 4. So our next number will be minus 9. So we'll put it here. Let us even go ahead. I'll write it minus 10, then minus 11, minus 12, minus 13. Again after 9 minus 9 I'll go ahead, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So next number would be minus 13. So I'll put it here, that is minus 13. Even we have to go ahead, then I'll write it here minus 14, minus 15, minus 16, minus 17, minus 18. I'll go ahead, that is again 4 number we have to go, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Our next number will be minus 17. So this is minus 17. We have find out the pattern in which you can see one number is 7. After the 4th gap the other number is 3. After the 4th gap the other number is minus 1. After 4 gap the other number is minus 5. So we find out the pattern that the gap between these two number is 4. So here also we have taken the gap of 4, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we have find out our next number, that is minus 9, that I have put it here. Then again you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again the gap of 4. and we have find out our number, that is next number is minus 13, that we have put it here. Then again we have gone 1, 2, 3 and 4, and our next number is minus 17. So we have find out the pattern and we have fill up this blank, that is 7, 3, minus 1, minus 5, minus 9, minus 13 and minus 17 with the gap of 4. So this is question A. Now let us go for B. Let us see, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8 means all these numbers are in negative. So I will write it here, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, and you can go ahead. But what we want to find out, that much only will go. First of all, the first number as it is mentioned here, that is minus 2, it is here. The next number is minus 4. How much gap it is there? It is 1 and 2. It is a gap of 2. Again, next number will be 1 and 2. That is, next number is minus 6. You can see minus 2, then the number is minus 4 with the gap of 2. Similar way, again after the gap of 2, it is minus 6. Then again we'll go with the gap of 2. Then the next number is minus 8, that you can see here. So what would be the next number? Now you understood the pattern, so you should solve it easily. We have to go 1 and 2. So the next number would be minus 10. It is here. Same, I will go ahead to number 1 and 2. So the next number would be minus 12. Again with the same pattern we'll go ahead, that is 1 and 2. The next number is minus 14. So you can see here it is a gap of 2, here it is a gap of 2, here it is gap of 2, gap of 2, again gap of 2 and again gap of 2. So this is a pattern, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 12 and minus 14. So this is question B. Let us go ahead. The next one, it is this 15, 10, 5, 0 and then dash dash dash. In this case you can see how much gap is there between the 15 and 10. Even you can do it orally. Between 15 and 10, how much gap? 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 and 10. How much gap is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can see it is a gap of 5. Similar way, here in between these two, gap of 5. Here in between these two, gap of 5. So similar way, gap of 5 will be there after this 0. If we will take the 5 gap after 0, what would be the number? That is minus 5. Even if we will go with the gap of minus that is 5, it would be minus 10. Again if we will go going in the same manner with the gap of 5, it would be minus 15. I hope it is clear. Here we have not written all the numbers, but we have find out the gap. That is what the pattern as it is written here. Can you find out the pattern for each of the following? If yes, then complete them. So we have find out the pattern that all this number is with the difference of 5, 5, 5. So the next number with the difference of 5, it is minus 5. As it is going in lower and lower, so from positive we have gone to negative. After 0, with the gap of 5 it is minus 5, with the gap of 5 it is minus 10 and with the gap of 5 it is minus 15. So this is C. Now let us go for D. Here the numbers are given minus 11, minus 8, minus 5, minus 2 as the numbers are increasing. So let us write it here and let us try to find out. First number minus 11, then definitely as the number is increasing, so the next increasing number is minus 10. Next it is minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, then 0. Then the increasing number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, such that. Let us find out the pattern. First number is 11, it is this, that is minus 11, and the next number is minus 8. So it is 1, 2 and 3. It is a pattern of 3, it's a gap of 3. Along with that we got the number minus 8. Again we'll go 3, 1, 2 and 3. Which number we got? That is minus 5. It is here. Minus 11, then minus 8 with the gap of 3. Again we got minus 5. Again with the gap of 3. 1, 2 and 3. What we got? That is minus 2. It is here. So again we'll go gap with the 3. 1, 2 and 3. So it is number 1. Next again 1, 2 and 3 will go here. So it would be number 4. You can see as the pattern, here it is 3, here it is 3. After minus 2 we have gone 1, 2 and 3. So it is here also 3 and we got the number 1. Then again we have gone 1, 2 and 3. So it is number 4. Again we will go 1, 2 and 3. The next number is 7. So this is what the pattern we have written. That is minus 11, minus 8, minus 5, minus 2, 1, 4 and 7. So what they have asked, can you find out the pattern for each of them? Each of the following that we have find out? Yes. Then complete them. So we have completed all the blanks. So this is how you can solve this question. This is part 2 of chapter number 1 integers standard 7 mathematics. Try this. In next we will see about exercise, that is exercise 1.1. So keep watching. If you have not still subscribed my channel, you can subscribe the channel so you will get the latest update when I will upload the video. If you will click on the notification button, you will get the notification of the next video. We will meet again in part 3. Thank you so much.